Well, hello, Logan.
Hey, Scott, what's up? It's Paladins Strike podcast number 3.
That's right. It's Tuesday, and I'm joining the podcast finally. You and Brian and Rain Day have been doing a good job, but I'm finally here. Gonna get my voice in the podcast, and I'm glad to talk about all things Strike.
Yeah, you've been heavy in the community lately, so I'm glad they finally get to hear from the illustrious HiRezBrew.
HiRezBrew. Yes, I've been doing a lot of art, but also helping out with community. But now we've got Elvine, so hopefully he'll be in the next podcast.
Yeah, we're really excited to get Elvine on here. He's been doing great in community, and we're really excited to have him on the Strike team.
Absolutely.
Hopefully the community's enjoying him.
Yeah, so let's jump right into it. Let's talk about release. How does that feel? How does it feel for you? I mean, I know it feels great for me. We're still busy, but...
Yeah, we are so busy, but release feels good. Technically, our global launch release is today because this is releasing on a Wednesday. We're recording on a Tuesday, but releasing on a Wednesday. So this will release tomorrow, and it's our global launch day, and we're making a bunch of noise, and it's really exciting. We actually turned on our servers last week, as a lot of people noticed. That was kind of a global soft launch sort of thing to really stress test our servers to make sure that everything didn't implode when we went for worldwide release.
Right.
But it kind of morphed into everybody just found it on the App Store and downloaded it and spread the word. So, it's out there. It feels really good to have it out there. We've been working on this project for years at this point. I've been on it for 8 months, if not more.
Yeah.
I know you've been on it for 6.
Yeah, about, yeah.
Yeah. So we're just so excited to finally have the passionate community have it in their hands.
Absolutely, yeah. All those countries kind of came at once. How long were you working on the release schedule?
Oh man, for weeks.
Yeah,
for weeks. I was working on it for probably 2 weeks, the rollout schedule, and then it all got blown up when we actually went to go do it.
Yeah.
So thank you for sticking through our tweets and our maintenance and our rollout schedule there. But it's out, it's live.
Yeah, a lot of things are moving target with Strike. We plan things very meticulously, and then many times those plans get thrown out the window so that we can move faster.
Speaking of thrown out the window, Russia, sorry guys, if you're listening from Russia, but we actually planned on having you with all the other countries last week, but we ran into some issues with Amazon web servers, so to pull you guys from the release, hold you back, we fixed those issues. We just released an update last night to the app. It doesn't say anything new in the what's new info, but it really just allowed us to fix our release in Russia and fix a lot of other critical issues that we found over last week and this weekend that we really needed to get in before global launch.
Yes. So Russia's in now.
Yeah, Russia's in.
Awesome. The competition, more.
There's been a lot of interest from that region, so we're excited to get all those players in.
Absolutely. I've been excited to see the Russian players join. So what about the update this week? Let's talk about that.
Yeah, the update, like I said, just basically let in Russia. It reconfigured our servers to allow that, and then just basically fixed some really critical bugs that we found over last week and this weekend. Nothing that affected your average player too much.
Yeah.
But we found some really bad bugs affecting some people on our top leaderboards that we wanted to get fixed, because why be on the top if you're going to get bugged as soon as you get there?
Yes, absolutely.
So luckily, if you're one of those few players, that issue is solved, and hopefully you've been compensated for your troubles.
So a lot of people have been asking with the new update and with our rolling out schedule last week, where can we report bugs? How do we get in touch with the community? And how are you guys solving these issues?
Yeah, that's a great question, because we don't have official forums on PaladinsStrike.com. The best way to contact us is either through the subreddit Paladins Strike, through Twitter or Discord.
Yeah,
I know you, HiRezBrew, HiRezLvine, and Lionheart are all really active on Twitter. You can also tweet at the Paladins Strike.
That's right.
Account.
Memes.
We have that on TweetDeck. We check it all day long. We're just sitting there looking at Twitter while we're working and trying to respond to as many issues and complaints as we can, taking down bugs. We have a gigantic list of bugs that we're prioritizing and working on. So social is a really good way to contact us. But then also there's an official HiRez customer support link if you have something, a customer support ticket link if you have an issue with payments or accounts or something a little more serious. They'll probably be able to help you more than we can over Twitter. Right, but we can always direct you there if you tweet at us. So
yeah.
The Discord, like I said, is also a really good place for discussion and for feedback, and we can talk to you there as well because we're active in the Discord. So
yeah, and there's a lot of veteran players and content creators that hang out in the Discord pretty much all day. So it's a great place to go, hang out, chat.
Yeah.
I'm usually in there, like you were saying. So I'm curious about community issues and what we're focused on right now, what we're focused on next.
Yeah, there's a lot of feedback, a lot of players reporting issues in the community. Obviously, we just released lots of things to focus on. We've heard complaints about black screen when you open the game. We've heard complaints about poor ping in different servers. We're definitely focusing on getting the game to a good state where, you know, there's not a black screen on load up or running into that bug.
Playable.
Get it playable. I mean, it is playable now, but get it to the point where lag is not the majority of, you don't lag the majority of the time.
Right.
We definitely want to get our servers to a place where players aren't lagging, players can play normally. So yeah, focusing on lag bugs, focusing on bugs like the notification sound that's been going out.
Yeah.
Notifications cause your sound to go out. We've gotten that bug a lot that we're focusing on. Bugs like, you know, black screen, like very, very serious stuff that are reported by the community, or things that are on the top of the list. And then we have a smaller list that is several dozens of bugs long.
Absolutely.
UI errors.
Yeah.
Party issues, stuff like that.
Yeah, and I know that. Yeah, we've got a huge list. I mean, we've got game design bugs. We've got UI things to track. I know that for content creators, there's tons of art assets that I want to blast out to you guys so that you guys can make those videos extra spicy.
Yeah. Not even just bugs that we're focusing on from the community, but we've got feedback. So we're looking to post wallpapers for people to use, art for people to use in their content. We're trying to create better channels for people to contact us. We're, you know, all of those things. Design feedback. It's not like we're ignoring your design feedback. Of course, we know Ying's OP, right? Like
yes. We know. We're on it.
We're on it, right? The problem, a good insight into the process of game development is that, yes, you report that to us one day, but we can't fix that in our process until the next build, right? So until we build again and update the game, right now we can't fix it. We are improving our processes every single day, trying to improve our live operations to the point where we can hot fix that sort of thing, so that we can hot fix balance changes. We can, if we see and we feel that a character is too, you know, unbalanced, that they're causing a problem in the community, then we can take a specific look at that character, decide what needs to be done, and change it. Hopefully change the text and everything around that character so that we don't have to wait weeks for an update.
Right, and that makes it a great experience for everybody.
Right.
So what would be coming next to Strike? What's on the horizon?
That's
if you can talk about some of those things. What's
today? The 1st, May 1st?
That's right.
I think we may have an update coming sooner than a lot of people think. So look forward. Keep an eye on the update button on the App Store, right? It's global release today, but we are focused on pushing out high quality, engaging content to users. We've got a new champion coming soon in our next update. Somebody who likes to use a bow.
Oh, okay. All right.
Interesting. Yeah. How many characters in Paladins use a bow?
There we go.
2. It's old Cassie. Wait, no, it's not. Okay. So we're really excited to get new characters in the realm, get new skins. We're cranking out new skins. We've got tons in the works.
We're
working on events. We're working on, you know, new maps, new modes, just everything that we can get into your hands so that you can do things like, you know, create community tournaments and do things that you want to do and really engage with the game.
Right.
And hopefully take it to the next level.
Yeah, the community has a lot of wishes and wants right now, and I think our feature list is longer than you'd think. There's tons of things we wish we could put in the game right now, and there's tons of things we wish we were already doing, so we're very excited to keep working on those.
Yeah. It's really great to be able to restructure our feature list with community feedback now, because before we had feedback from soft launch, but now we have feedback from worldwide, which is everyone telling us what they want. so we can finally restructure our feature list to really put in the things that people want.
Right, shuffling those things to the front of the line. Yeah, absolutely. Bringing the smooth competitive experience to everybody and then giving them all the good skins and artwork they need. All right, so is there anything else you want to spoil, talk about, or discuss while we're here?
I think I've spoiled enough.
Yeah, I think that's pretty big.
I think I might get in trouble, but it's fine. No, I think that about wraps up our Paladins podcast number 3. I mean, thanks for joining us, HiRezBrew.
Yeah, thank you for having me.
You know, thanks for having us, guys.
Yeah, next week we'll try to bring Elvine in here and give you even more information about what's coming in Strike. See you then.
Absolutely.